Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to export as DXF in Onshape. So basically what you'll need to do is have a part or a sketch where you'll be able to click and export that. So basically I will select this circle, right click it, and basically what I will have is export as DXF or DWG. So click on that, and right here you can rename your file name. So I will rename to DXF format. Right here you can select the version, units, and just you can select export as lines as polylines or set as height to 0 and normals to positive. Now just click export and basically you will get the DXF format. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.